Good morning to all of you, dear students. Here, myself, Dian Das, is in front of you with chapter 2 of class 10. You know there are two books in class 10 English literature. First light and next one is footprints without wings. So here, chapter 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Here, long walk, this is the journey of Mandela to get freedom. You know freedom, freedom, azadi. This is liked by everyone, freedom. And you also know that freedom provides the maximum pleasure not only to human beings but also animals. That you can realize also. This story is an extract. This chapter is an extract from his autobiography. Autobiography is life story of a person. Jivan Britan. Long Walk to Freedom. This is name of a book written by Nelson Mandela about his life, explained everything, what happened in his life, how he was tortured, and not only he but the people of his society, means black people in South Africa. There was a very discriminations between white and black. He was from black. So Mandela and his party, African National Congress. African National Congress is the name of party. Has spent a lifetime struggle against apartheid. Means the party has spent lifetime struggle against apartheid. Apartheid, you know, apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Race here, black and white. Black especially here, they were tortured by white because white is from England. They occupied South Africa. South Africa became colony, means nivesh. So they felt too much suffering and pain by white people. Here Mandela spent about 30 years in prison, means when he started revolting against the system, they arrested him and sent to prison, means jail for 30 years. Finally, democratic elections were held in 1994. ANC, means here African National Congress, got 252 seats out of 400, became the winner, and then it was decided to establish a new government, means New Africa. Inauguration ceremony took place, means it was decided held the ceremony on 10th of May 1994 in Union Building in Pretoria. Yes, Pretoria is the name of the place where inauguration ceremony was held. About 1 lakh people, including great leaders of the world, there about 140 countries took part, means respective leaders of those countries were invited to take part in that program to see as an eyewitness of the new government. Zenani, yes, Zenani you should know, याद देना चाहिए. Zenani is name of Mandela's daughter. Mandela's daughter, his right hand, she was considered his right hand, so she accompanied him inauguration ceremony. Mr. D. Clark sweared as second deputy president. At first, he was a very close to Mandela, so he was given a chance to swear as second deputy president. And then Mr. Thabo took swear as first deputy president, and then finally Mandela, the first black president, took part in that ceremony. That time, two national anthems were sung. Yes, two national anthems. Generally, we find one national anthem in one country, but here two national anthems. दो गीत गाए गए, टू नेशनल, वन फॉर ब्लैक एंड वन फॉर व्हाइट. तो टू नेशनल एंथम्स were sung. Military jets displayed power in the sky. They threw flowers on the people present there to show the respect. And you should know that those militaries had arrested Mandela and sent to jail, but when Mandela got that victory in the democratic election, the same military power came to welcome him and give him the maximum regard as the president. So at the time of taking swear, Mandela delivered a very long speech. Some part of the speech I would like to hear. Tell you, this is the part of the speech. Today, all of us do by our presence here confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Yes, नई आजादी नए देश के लिए out of experience of an extraordinary human disaster. Disasters, pains, suffering of those people that lasted too long must be born a society of which all humans will be proud. Later on, never again has Mandela decided to be tortured by those people. So people were very happy to get freedom. And dear students, I would like to suggest you, please go through the lesson for long speech because this is very short and I will try to send WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, all details you can see there. So here Mandela is such a president who got inspiration from our great leader Mr. Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi became the source of inspiration for Mandela, and at last he got success, and people of South Africa became free like people of India when got freedom from British rule. So I think this is enough. I have tried my best to conclude the chapters. So you are requested to go through the lesson, and if you go through the lesson, you will find all things in details, and it will help you to answer the questions asked from these lessons. Some questions extract may come, short answer question may come, and value based question also may come. So I think it is helpful to you. Thank you.